Hello everyone and happy Friday! Dear entomologists, today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. Yesterday we learned about ant colonies and the jobs of each type of ant. Ants care about their colony. Ants will do anything to protect their colony, even if it means putting themselves in danger. Most ants spend their lives making sure the colony lives. Let's take a look at the life cycle of an ant. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So I want to jump over to show you the life cycle of an ant. We have the stage, the ant, and how the colony helps. So the first stage is the egg. You can see a picture here, what it would look like. Worker ants build chambers, and the queen lays eggs in the chambers. The second stage is the larva, as you can see here. And the worker ants feed the larva. The third stage is the pupa, pictured here. Worker ants open the cocoon when the pupa is ready. And the last stage, the adult. So as the adult grows, they need worker ants to care for them as they grow. So now I just wanted to look at how a bee life cycle is similar to an ant life cycle. So they both have 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. And if you notice how the hive or the colony helps, worker bees and worker ants have a lot of jobs to do to ensure that the bees and ants make it through their life cycle. Thank you for tuning into the morning message. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.